Welcome back to a video focused on the Facebook Ads Manager, emphasizing its advanced and versatile features for creating ads professionally. Throughout the module, we will cover the fundamentals of utilizing the Ads Manager to strategically understand ad campaigns. By the end of the video, you should be prepared to navigate and leverage the robust tool for creating, managing, and tracking ads on Facebook. To go to the Ad Manager, open your Facebook page and on the left panel, click the option Ad Center. Scroll down and see the option Ad Manager. Here in the Ads Manager, you have a dashboard that provides an overview of your ad performance, audience insights, and ad creation tools. We'll explore these in detail in just a moment. Before moving forward, let me demonstrate the concept campaign, ad set, and ads. In the context of online advertising, particularly on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or other digital advertising platforms, a campaign, ad set, and ad are hierarchical components that help advertisers organize and manage their advertising efforts. Let's break down each term with an example. A campaign is the highest level of organization in an advertising account. It represents the overarching objective or goal that you want to achieve with your advertising efforts. Imagine you are a clothing retailer launching a new winter collection. Your campaign objective might be to increase sales for your winter clothing line. An ad set is a subset of a campaign and is used to group together a set of ads that share similar targeting criteria. Ad sets allow you to control the audience placement, budget, and schedule for a specific set of ads. Within your winter collection campaign, you could create ad sets targeting different audience segments. For instance, you might have one ad set targeting people interested in outdoor activities and another ad set targeting those who prefer indoor activities. Each ad set would have its own budget and schedule. An ad is the specific creative content that you want to show to your target audience. It includes the visuals, text, and other elements that make up the actual advertisement. Continuing with the winter collection campaign, within each ad set, you would create individual ads showcasing specific products from your winter collection. For instance, one ad might feature a stylish winter coat, while another highlights cozy sweaters. Each ad is tailored to appeal to the preferences of the specific audience targeted by its ad set. In summary, the hierarchy is as follows. A campaign sets the overall goal, ad sets organize groups of ads with similar targeting, and individual ads are the specific creatives designed to resonate with a particular audience. This structure allows advertisers to efficiently manage and optimize their online advertising efforts. As you start creating a new campaign, you need to decide on the buying type, auction or reservation. Auction is where your ad competes in real time to reach the target audience. It's flexible and dynamic, optimizing delivery based on performance. Reservation lets you buy ad space at a fixed cost, suitable for specific budget requirements or when you want more predictability in ad spend. Now let's choose your campaign objective. Drive traffic, generate leads, increase brand awareness, or something else. Click the name of your campaign drop-down and here enter the campaign name, ad set name, and ad name. Here you can edit all three elements, campaign, ad set, and ads. You can conduct app split testing to improve ad performance and use the Advantage campaign budget to distribute my budget across delivering ad sets for better results. Clicking next to set up ad set options, set the ad set name, choose a performance goal, and define how success is measured for the ads. If you want control over my bid, you can set a bid control. The dynamic creative option provides automatically generated combinations for the audience. Now set daily or lifetime budget, audience, location, age, gender, and demographics. In placement options, choose recommended settings or manually select places to show the ad. Now let's move to the ad creation step. Choose an ad format, a single image, a carousel, or a collection. Click on the Add Media button and select the media in image or video format that you want to showcase in your ad. Provide persuasive text, set ad destination, and a call to action. Preview the ad on different platforms. Finally, your ad is ready. Click Publish to send it for Facebook review. Facebook will review it against guidelines. If it's approved, the ad will start reaching the selected audiences. And there you have it. In our next video, we'll dive deeper into ad creative and copywriting to ensure your ads not only reach the right audience, but also resonate with them. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.